Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am dealing with the 10th class maths, similar triangles. In this now we are going to do the construction part given in your textbook. That is A part. What is that they have given? Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle ABC with its sides 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of ABC. Whatever are the sides of ABC are there, 3 by 4 of it you have to do the construction. So, how it has to be done? So, first let us draw a triangle ABC. Since they have not given us any measures, you can draw a triangle of your own measures. There is no requirement for taking correct measures because they have not given any measures. If they give any measures to the triangle, first you have to construct the triangle according to the measures. In this particular bit, they have not given any measure, so I have taken a triangle ABC of my own measures. Now I should construct another triangle with it in such a way that each and every side of the triangle should be 3 by 4 of the original triangle. To do that construction, first what I need to do is I have to draw a line that is an acute ray, BX ray, making an acute angle with B. And what I need to do is I have to take 4 points. Since the denominator contains 4, I should take 4 points of equidistance. That means B as center with some radius, one arc here, and with the same center another arc with this point another arc, this is third one, and this is fourth one. So I have taken 4 arcs with the help of the compass, so that I am getting P1, P2, P3, P4. After getting 4 points in this way, first we need to join P4 and C. P4 and C you have to join. After joining P4 and C, it is 3 by 4. So you have to draw a parallel ray through P3 upon BC parallel to P4C. So you can take one set square, keep it like this upon P4C, and take a scale. You can take another set square or scale, whichever is convenient for you. Attach it like this and move it up to P3. So here I am removing the scale and I am drawing a line. This line is parallel line. So let me call this point as C dash. After getting C dash, now upon AC you keep the set square and a scale, or if you want you can take another set square and pull it like this till it touches C dash. Then draw a line like this. This is parallel to AC. So this one we call it as A dash. So A dash C, A dash C dash, this is C dash, A dash C dash B, A B C dash is the required triangle which is having sides 3 by 4 of the sides of the triangle ABC. Very, very important constructions, children. Very simple constructions, important constructions. Essay type answer it is. So let us write the steps of construction. First one, construct triangle ABC with the given measures. This point I am writing, of course, now they have not given any measures, but the statements, that steps you are writing will be same, almost same for other constructions also. Just you write this one, construct triangle ABC with the given measures. That will give you, if the measures are given, you will use, otherwise your own measures you will be taking. And second point is, draw BX-ray making acute angle at B. Now, third point, locate P1, P2, P3, P4 on BX-ray such that BP1 is equal to P1, P2 is equal to P2, P3 is equal to P3, P4. That means all the points are at equidistant. Then what is the fourth point? Join P4C. Fifth point, draw P3C dash parallel to P4C, where C dash lies on BC. Next, draw C dash A dash parallel to AC, where A dash lies on AB. So BC, AB. Then the seventh point is triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle. This is the construction. These are all the construction steps. This is the construction, children. Please note down how it has to be done. You can practice it so that you will not lose it. Next. Next part. Example 5. A person 1.65 meters tall casts a shadow 1.8 meters. At the same instance, a lamp post casts a shadow of a lamp post casts a shadow casts a shadow of 5.4 meters. Find the height of the lamp post. This is the question. Even they have given a figure also. So let me draw. This is a figure that they have given in the book. So a person A, B. A person, suppose this is person whose height is 1.65 meters. He is casting a shadow. So this is the length of the shadow. These are sun rays. Length of the shadow 1.8 meters. So definitely this is 90 degrees. And at the same time, another lamp post. This is lamp post. Another lamp post PQ is, this is our, casting a shadow of 5.4 meters. This is C. Now the question is, what is the height? Let us consider this as height. So AB is the height of the person is equal to 1.65 meters. BC is the shadow of the person 1.8 meters. PQ is the height of the lamp post. We will consider it as H meters. QR is the shadow of the lamp post, which is nothing but 5.4 meters. Now, these two are sun's rays, children. Only when the sun rays falls, we'll be getting the shadow. And always sun's rays are parallel, so the arrow indicates that AC is parallel to PQ. When AC, now when AC is parallel to PQ, you can consider BR is a transversal. If you consider BR as the transversal, these two are parallel lines, then angle C, this angle and angle RC, this you just close it, parallel lines, transversal. So these two are considered as corresponding angles. Angle C is equal to angle R. They are corresponding angles. Now let us take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle Q 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to angle R. Just now we have proved it. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR basing on angle-angle corollary. So when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. What is AB? 1.65 AB by PQH is equal to BC 1.8 by 5.4. So here You can take out the decimals. 18 ones are 18 threes are 54. So what is H? H is equal to 1.65 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 1 19, 3 1s are 3 1 4. So what is the height that you are getting? Height of the lamp post is equal to 4.95 meters. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now, example 6. A man sees, let me read it. It's a lengthy sum, so I'll just read it. A man sees the top of a floor in a mirror which is at a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. The mirror is on the ground facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror and his height is 1.4 meters. How tall is the tower? So, for this, see, it is actually, let me draw the figure first. This is the ground and there is a tower. Let us consider this as a tower and here there is a person. Let me call AB is the person. So upon the floor, what did they say? At a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. From the tower, 8.6 meters this side away, 87.6 meters. Let us consider this as a C, 87.6 meters. Here there is a mirror. The mirror is how it is facing upwards like this. So the man is at the top of the tower. A man sees the top of the tower of the mirror at a distance on the ground facing upwards. Okay, this is a tower. A man is seeing from this position here. This is the height of the man. So naturally the eyes are at up. A man of height, how much they said? Height is 1.5 meters. So a person's height is 1.5. So this is the man who is standing here. He can see from here. Mirror is here. So upon this mirror, he is seeing the reflection of the top of the tower. Okay. So DE is the height of the tower. These two are perpendicular. So the man could see like this. See, this is the mirror. C is the position of the mirror. So actually what does this becomes? This becomes incident ray and this becomes reflected ray. Why? Because this is mirror. C is the mirror. Okay. Now just understand, remember the laws of reflection. When just here I will draw. If this is the mirror, shaded portion, a ray incident upon it, this is called incident ray. It gets reflected back, reflected ray. In your physics, you have learnt this, children. This is the point of incidence. If you draw a line perpendicular, this is a normal ray. Then this is called angle of incidence. This is called angle of reflection. And always angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, which you have studied in your physics and earlier also. So let me draw a normal ray. Normal ray means a ray perpendicular. So this is a normal ray. Because of this normal ray, this becomes angle of incidence and this becomes angle of reflection. We know that these two are equal according to law of reflection. So with that knowledge we are going to proceed this. So this is a reflected R. So first let me write AB is the height of a person. DE is that this is how much 1.5 meters. D is the height of a tower. This is h meters. This is what you need to find out. So this is h meters, and the person is standing 0.4 meters away from the mirror, they have told. So BC is the distance between the person and the mirror, that is equal to 0.4 meters. And CD is the distance between the tower and the mirror, that is equal to 87.6 meters. So this you have got. Now let us proceed with our calculations. Let us take in triangle ABC and triangle CDE, angle B is equal to angle D. Why is it? They are 90 degrees. Now angle C is equal to 90 degrees minus angle I. This is 90 degrees minus angle I. This can be written as 90 degrees minus angle R, because angle I is equal to angle R. Angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. So 90 degrees minus I is nothing but, here angle C means you may get confused. So let me write it here as angle ACB. So 90 degrees minus R can be written as, this is nothing but angle DCE, this angle. So these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal already there. We have proved that these two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDE basing on angle corollary. When these two are equal, the corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to BC by CD. What is AB? 1.5 by DE. DE is H, is equal to BC 0.4 by CD 87.6. So decimal you can cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So H is equal to 1.5 into 219. Okay, so how much are you getting here? 15 nines are 135. 15 ones are 15. That means 8 2. 2 8. 15 twos are 32. 32. 328.5. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 328.5 meters is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now, example 7. Now, example 7, for that you have got a figure, children. Example 7, Gopal is worrying. I'm going to read this after drawing the figure, because you will understand only when I draw the figure. So, the figure is in this way. You have got a base and a height. Here also you have got something AB, and these two are joined. You have got another line here and a broken line. Next, you have got so this. Let me draw. This is the actually house of this person, and here you have got a living room. So this is A and P, 1.5 meters, and this is a D, this is B, here perpendicular, and this is a Q, and here the value is 1.5 meters, and E and R. This is C here, 1.2 meters, 1.5 meters, 8 meters up to P, and this is 2 meters. Okay, this is the figure that they have given. So let me read and explain you. Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can peep into his living room from the top floor of his house. So this is the living room of Gopal. This is the top floor of neighbor. So his worry is when a person stands here, they can see his living room. That is what is his worry. Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can peep into his living room from the top of a tower. He has decided to raise the height of the fence that is high enough to block the view of the neighbor's top floor window. So, what was his plan? He can't do anything. He can't ask the neighbor to not to come to the top floor and see. So, what he has to do? He should protect his living room. So, for that, what he has decided? This is his compound. He wanted to raise the compound to certain height so that this view will be blocked. The person cannot see this living room. So intelligently he has planned. So he has decided to raise the height of the fence that is high enough to block the view of the neighbor's top floor window. What should be the height of the fence? And the measurements are given in the figure. Figure is given to you. What should be the height of the fence? DB is the height of the fence. So what you can say, AP is the height of, what is that, living room? That is equal to 1.5 meters, and ER is the height of neighbor's first floor window. How much it is? Okay, it's measure. If you want to take, you have to add 1.5 plus 1.2, that is 2.7 meters. From the ground, if you see, it is 2.7 meters. Now, BD is the height of the fencing. It is the fencing only, na? Okay, height of the fence. That is H meters. So height of the fence, that is H meters. You need to find out the height of the fence. Now you have got two triangles here, children. One is triangle ABD and another one is triangle ACE. So let us take that. In triangle ABD and triangle ACE. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle C. They are 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle A common. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACE basing on angle corollary. So when two triangles are same, they correspond similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So in triangle ACE, BD by CE is equal to AB by AC. What is BD? BD is height H. By CE, they have given 1.2 is equal to AB. What is AB? They have given this as 2 meters. That means this is also 2 meters. 2 by AC. What is AC, children? From here to here. How much they have given? 8. So AC is 8. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4H is equal to 1.2. So what is height? 1.2 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 0.3. Height is equal to 0.3 meters. So height should be 0.3 meters, means you need to find out height of the fence. The question is how much. The question is what should be the height of the fence and the measure total height they are asking. So dq is the let me write here, total height they are asking. So what is the height of the fence, means we will write a dq. Dq is the height of the fence. So this whole thing here, okay, we will consider this as h. 1.5 plus h with 0.3 meters. So dq, therefore dq is equal to 1.5 plus 0.3, 1.8 meters. So 1.8 meters is the height of the, therefore height of the fence is equal to 1.8 meters is the answer, children. Please note it down. Figure is big but the solution is very simple. Please note it down. With this I am concluding today's topic. In the next class I will do the next part.